Hi, welcome. Today is a quick get ready with me. I'm going to be working at home. I'm feeling casual. I'm feeling good. Let's jump into the tutorial. Magic washi washi, all the makeup's gone. Pinning my hair back. And we are going to start with some of my favorite makeup I've just discovered. The brand is called Seint. This is all customizable. I absolutely love this makeup. We're going to start with a brush, and this is cream makeup. And I start with contour. Contour is so scary, Trish. Well, actually it's not. And we start with contour with this makeup because you don't put the foundation on and then just do layers and layers over the foundation. You only put specific colors where specific colors are meant to go on your face. So this is the color of olive. This is my contour. I did it up high on my cheeks. Gonna do a little to minimize my forehead. And I like to do what I jokingly call speed racer stripes on my nose. All of us have an area that's not our favorite, and I would like my nose to be a little more narrow. So through the artistry and magic of makeup, that's what I did. Now, what do you do when you go to see your sister in Texas and you accidentally delete the section of your footage from home of the rest? Well, you do a quick refilm in her bathroom. So the lighting's different, I apologize. Now I am actually applying what you all would probably call the foundation. We call this highlight with Seint makeup. And I am using the color June, like the month of June. So I went everywhere that I didn't contour, and we'll be blending that in just a minute. There we go with the blend, blending the contour and the highlight, what most people call foundation, with the brush. I'm going to link everything in the description box for you if you're on YouTube, or you can always email me at thatsotrishy@gmail.com if you're watching this on IGTV. Next, we're doing lip liner. What am I doing? I'm doing tiger stripes because I do not like it when lip liner doesn't blend with lip color. That was my favorite Avon True Color Mystery Mauve lip liner. I find it matches just about all my lip colors. It matches my lips very closely. So what I'm doing now is another one of the great things about the Seint palette. They have lip/cheek color that I love to use for multiple things. So I used the color of Nude as my base, and now I'm using the color of Pink Grapefruit, I believe, just to spice it up a little bit. If you like matte lipstick, you're done, but I like a little gloss, so I'm using my favorite Dollar Tree find. You can see that on one of my other videos. Let's do some pretty eyes now. One of my favorite things about Seint is I love to use the lip cheek color for my eyeshadow. So I am going back in with that nude colored. I think it's more of a real pretty rose. And I basically make arches, and then I come out in the outer corners. This is cream makeup, but we're gonna set it in just a minute and you'll see. So that's kind of what it looks like before we blend it. And then I'm gonna take the other flip side of my Seint palette that I have some powders. And I'm actually just using the vanilla powder over the top part of my eyeshadow right below my eyebrows. And it does a really great job of setting it. And then I use my very well loved, as you can see, color that's almost gone there, and that's called Startled. Now we are going to do what I call my 1990 Pamela Anderson eyebrows. Too thin, straight, overplucked. I don't have an arch, guys. So I take one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. My favorite is the Avon True Color eyebrow pencil in blonde, and I just do a base, drawing a little bit more of an arch, but then I go in with my Seint cream makeup, and that little brush I just showed you is from my Dollar Tree finds, 99 cents, and it's a really good angled brush. So I use the same color that I used for my contour, which was olive, and then I go over it with a little bit darker to refine it, and I'm using Cola. got my spoolie. Every girl needs a spoolie. And I'm just kind of brushing that out a little bit, make it look a little fuller. So maybe those eyebrows are more 2021. My favorite LA color, pressed powder, sets the whole look. Everybody has their favorite powder, but this, guys, is usually $2-3. I'm gonna link it in the description box, or sometimes you can find it at the Dollar Tree. Next, I'm gonna add a little dewy glow. This is one of my favorite products Seint has, and you can buy this regular, or I buy one that is perfumed. So that's my perfume. I like a subtle perfume, but it gives you a nice little glowy finish. I'm gonna go back in because I realized that, hey, I think my eyes look a little more tired than normal. I didn't get much sleep before that video. So I'm adding a little bit of a lighter color, that was linen, right under my eyes for brightener. I am gonna go on my neck a little bit. You may or may not do this. I have a lot of sun damage on my neck. That's another video for you. I'm gonna set it with pressed powder and my favorite Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. Next, we need to do some lashes. So, if you guys want to see how I do my lashes, you'll have to check out my separate tutorial on 5-day lashes for under $5. But for this one, we'll just fast forward through it so you don't have to look at the whole tutorial. But they last me 5 days, guys, and I love it. So I'm going to go in now and do a little bit of eyeliner, but we know that harsh eyeliner is out, so I like to take one of my favorite powdered eyeshadow colors from Seint. It'll be linked in the description box for you. And I just take a brush and I put that on and blend it. Here's another trick. I use my setting spray and I go over that powder to make it stay and not fall down under my eyes. A whisper of bottom lash mascara, and we are done, guys. Look of the day. And that's it. That's my simple get ready with me day. If I'm gonna go out somewhere, I may fix my hair better. Right now, I've just got my hair pulled back in my pony, and for working at home, it's probably fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Get ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed the lashes. Don't forget to join me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. My handle on everything is That's So Trishy. Thank you guys and have a great day.